About dryness, I usually have to find out how people evaluate their own skin. So do you notice that yours dry or not?
Yes, I try to drink a lot of water and moisturize at night, but I notice like younger girls, their skin looks dewy, and I want that look too. So how do I do that?
Dewy, it's the perfect word.
Yes.
Right, so this is an ancient secret from Ghana in West Africa, and it's called African black soap. It's called black soap because it is black.
Okay.
It's made from plantain skins, which, you know, we don't eat that much in this country, but they're available if you wish to eat them. They're in the Caribbean a lot. Natural source of vitamin A, E, iron, and it helps revitalize the skin. The fats in here, go ahead and mix that up in the water.
Okay.
You'll notice as it suds up, you've got fats in there, and those fats will moisturize the skin. You can use this every few days.
I can feel like the softness.
And mix it in there, you'll see the foam itself is black too. It's pretty cool looking. Nicely done. And, you know, I got to say, you walk into a bathroom and see this color soap, it's got to get your attention. Right?
Yeah, that's
$4 at vitamin stores. It's in health food stores these days.
Okay.
It's pretty. Is it soothing to your skin?
It feels so soft. I could do, and you can put this on your face and everything.
Yeah, like I taste it.
Me either.
Yeah, you can put it on your face, use it on your whole body.
Oh, wow.
Again, it's been used in Africa for many years, and it's effective, we believe, because they think it's effective. So try it out.
I never knew about it, and my niece is from Africa, so I should have asked her about it.
Now you can tell her.
I will.
All right. And next, dealing with wrinkles. Wrinkles are a big issue for all.